It's March 14th, a day that some call Pie Day. Now, when I say pie, I'm talking about pie as in the kind you may remember back in math class. You know, pi equals 3.14, which is part of a mathematical equation to figure out the circumference of a circle. And as you've probably noticed from watching us over the years, here in the test kitchen, we love to celebrate just about anything. So in celebration of this pie, what do you say we make a lemony pie that adds up to lots of tasty goodness? All we have to do is combine some sugar with a few eggs, a bit of melted butter, a splash of milk, a couple of tablespoons of yellow cornmeal, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, a little flour, and a bit of grated lemon zest. We beat this together and pour it into a deep dish pie plate that we've already lined with a homemade or refrigerated pie crust. Now all we have to do is pop this into the oven until it sets and the top begins to get golden. That's it. Once it cools, you can serve it as is, or how about finishing it off with a bit of whipped cream to make it doubly delicious? So here's your homework assignment. Go online and get the recipe for our lemon chess pie so you can whip up a pie where the sum of the ingredients adds up to something that's downright awesome. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a lemony way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm.